Do you feel tired today? Do you feel lost in your life? Are you waiting for a good day? Are you waiting for a hero? Listen to me very carefully. I know your pain. I know you work hard. I know you cry in the dark. You want someone to hold your hand. You want someone to say, I will help you. But I must tell you a very harsh truth. A truth that will hurt you. But this truth will also make you free. Please, open your eyes. No one is coming to save you. Your mother cannot save you. Your father cannot save you. Your best friend cannot save you. The government will not save you. If you are poor, people will not give you money. If you are sad, people will not make you smile. If you do not speak English, people will not wait for you. The world is very busy. The world will not stop for your tears. This is not a sad video. This is a wake-up call. You are the only person in your life. You are the only one who can change your story. If you want a better job, you must learn. If you want more money, you must work smarter. If you want respect, you must respect yourself first. Stop looking at the door. No hero will walk into your room. You must be your own hero. You must save yourself. Today, we will talk about how to do it. Let me tell you a story. It is a story about a young man. His name is Mark. Mark is a good person. He has a kind heart. But Mark is not happy. He works in a small shop. He works from morning to night. His salary is very low. His boss is always angry. Every night, Mark goes back to his small room. He looks at the ceiling. He thinks about his big dreams. He wants a beautiful house. He wants a good car. He wants to speak fluent English. He wants to travel the world. But what does Mark do? He does nothing. He picks up his phone. He scrolls on the internet for hours. He watches other people live his dream. He watches rich people. He watches happy people. And he feels worse. Mark is trapped in a dangerous game. The game is called waiting. He always waits for the perfect time. He says, I will learn English tomorrow. He says, I will find a new job next month. He says, I will start reading next year. But tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next month. Next month becomes next year. And Mark is still in the same small room. He is still unhappy. He is still poor. Why? Because Mark makes excuses. He says, I am too tired after work. He says, I do not have money for books. He says, English is too hard for me. He says, nobody teaches me. Mark is waiting for a miracle. He thinks, one day his life will change magically. He thinks a rich man will give him a good job. He thinks he will wake up and speak English perfectly. But this is a lie. A lie he tells himself every single day. Waiting is a trap. Waiting kills your dreams. Waiting kills your time. Waiting kills your future. Are you like Mark? Are you waiting for tomorrow? One day, something very bad happened. Mark went to his shop. His boss looked at him. His boss said, Mark, you are fired. Mark was shocked. He lost his job. He had no money. He had no plan. He went back to his small room. He felt very scared. He picked up his phone. He called his best friend. He said, please help me. I have no job. His friend said, I am sorry, Mark. I am too busy. He called another friend. His friend said, I have my own problems, Mark. He called his family. His family was very poor. They could not send him money. They could not save him. Mark sat on the cold floor. He looked at his phone. No one called him back. No one sent him a message. No one knocked on his door. The sun went down. The sun came up. The world did not stop. The world did not care about his pain. People went to work. People laughed. People lived their lives. And Mark was completely alone. This was the darkest night of his life. But in the dark, you can see the stars. Mark walked to the mirror. He looked at his face. He saw a weak man. He saw a sad man. He saw a man who always waited. Suddenly, a voice in his head spoke. The voice was quiet, but very strong. Mark, look at yourself. No one is coming. No hero will open that door. You are alone. If you cry, nothing changes. If you wait, you will stay poor. You must save yourself. That moment hurt him deeply. It was a very harsh reality, but the pain was a gift. The pain broke his illusion. The pain woke him up. Mark wiped his tears. He took a deep breath. He stood up. He did not look for excuses anymore. He made a choice. A choice to fight for his life. Sometimes you must lose everything. Sometimes you must feel deep pain, because pain makes you wake up. Pain makes you strong. Pain makes you change. Mark learned a very important lesson. This is his first rule. Rule number 1. Stop making excuses. Excuses are very easy to make. Action is very hard to take. Weak people look for excuses. Strong people look for solutions. Before, Mark always had an excuse. He said, "I do not have time." He said, "I do not have money." He said, "I am not smart enough." But now, Mark killed his excuses. He wanted to learn English. He needed English to get a good job. He had no money for a school. He had no money for a teacher, but he had an old phone. He had free internet at the park. So Mark walked to the park every day. He sat under a big tree. He watched free English videos. He wrote down new words in a cheap notebook. He repeated the words out loud. I am strong. I am learning. I am growing. It was very difficult at first. His tongue felt heavy. His brain felt tired. Sometimes he wanted to stop. Sometimes his old mind said, "Go back to sleep." But Mark remembered his dark room. He remembered his empty pocket. He remembered his lonely night. He said, "No, no more excuses. If you want to change your life, look at Mark." Do you say the word "but" too much? I want to read, but I am tired. I want to exercise, but it is cold. I want to learn, but it is hard. Every time you say "but," you lose. Every time you make an excuse, you stay weak. You must take control of your life. You must take responsibility. No money? Use the internet. No time? Wake up 1 hour early. No teacher? Teach yourself. No friends to help? Walk alone. Mark woke up at 5 o'clock every morning. The sky was dark, the street was quiet, but Mark was awake. He practiced speaking English alone. He made many mistakes. He sounded funny, but he did not care. He knew that making mistakes is a part of learning. He knew that taking action is better than waiting. He threw his excuses in the trash. He became the boss of his mind. And you must do the same. You must stop lying to yourself. Your excuses are lies. They keep you safe, but they keep you poor. Write it down in your mind right now. I will stop making excuses today. This is your first step to a new life. Now Mark has a second rule. Rule number 2, accept the pain of growth. Many people want to change, but they do not want the pain. They want to learn English quickly. They want to be rich easily. But life does not work like that. Growth is not easy. Growth is not comfortable. Growth is very painful. When Mark started his new life, it hurt. His body was very tired in the morning. His eyes wanted to close. His brain wanted to stop. His old friends called him at night. They said, "Come out and play, Mark." They said, "Come drink with us." Mark said, "No, I must study." Mark said, "No, I have to wake up early." His friends laughed at him. They said, "You are crazy, Mark." They said, "You will never speak English." They said, "You are just a poor worker." These words hurt Mark deeply. He felt very sad. He felt very lonely. He sat in his dark room alone. He looked at his cheap notebook. Tears fell from his eyes. He wanted to give up. He wanted to be normal again. It is very easy to be normal. It is very easy to stay in bed. It is very easy to follow the crowd. But Mark remembered his promise. He remembered the harsh truth. No one is coming to save him. If he stops now, he will stay poor forever. If he stops now, he will be unhappy forever. So he wiped his tears. He said to himself, "The pain will stop, but a bad life will not stop." If you want to grow, you must be ready. You must be ready to walk alone. You must be ready to lose some friends. You must be ready to study in the dark. People will laugh at you. People will think you are crazy. Do not listen to their voices. Listen to your own voice. Listen to your future. Accept the pain. Accept the loneliness. Accept the hard work. When your brain hurts, it means you are learning. When your body is tired, it means you are growing. When you lose bad friends, it means you are moving forward. Do not run away from the pain. Use the pain as your energy. Use the pain as your fire. Now Mark has the third rule. Rule number 3. Build your value in silence. Look around you. Many people are very loud. They complain about their jobs. They complain about their lives. They post sad stories on the internet. They want people to say, "Oh, poor you." They want attention, but attention is not respect. Crying on the internet will not save you. Complaining will not pay your bills. Mark understood this. He stopped talking about his problems. He stopped posting on social media. He became very quiet. He put his head down. He focused on his work. He focused on his English. Month after month, Mark worked in silence. He read books in silence. He practiced speaking in silence. He built his skills. He built his value. You see, the world does not care about your tears. The world does not pay you for your sadness. The world pays you for your value. If you have no skills, you have no value. If you have no value, people will ignore you. But if you become very good at something, if you speak English very well, if you work very hard and solve problems, you become valuable. And when you are valuable, people cannot ignore you. Work hard in silence. Let your success make the noise. Do not tell people your plans. Show them your results. Be a quiet storm. Build yourself every single day. When you build your value, you do not need a hero, because you are strong enough to save yourself. 2 years passed. Mark is a different man now. He still wakes up at 5 o'clock. He still works very hard, but he is not sad anymore. He is not weak anymore. Mark speaks English very well. He speaks with confidence. He looks people in the eye. One day, he went to a big company. He had an interview for a new job. He walked into the big room. He sat down. He spoke in English. He smiled. He was not afraid. The manager looked at him. The manager liked his skills. The manager gave him the job. Now, Mark has a good salary. Mark has a nice apartment. Mark can travel the world. He can buy a beautiful house for his parents. People look at him with respect. His old friends see him. They are very surprised. They ask, "Mark, how did you do this?" They ask, "Who gave you this job?" They ask, "Who saved you?" Mark smiles a quiet smile. He remembers the dark room. He remembers the cold floor. He remembers his cheap notebook. He looks at his friends and says, "Nobody gave me this life. Nobody saved me. I saved myself." Mark is finally happy. He does not wait for a hero anymore, because he looks in the mirror and he sees the hero. This story is about Mark, but this story is also about you. Are you tired of your life? Are you waiting for tomorrow? I tell you again, please listen to me. No one is coming to save you. You must be your own hero. Do not wait for tomorrow. Start today. Start with one small step. Read one page. Learn one new English word. Wake up 1 hour early. It will be hard. It will be painful. You will feel lonely, but your future will thank you. You have a great power inside you. You can change your story. You can build your value, but you must take the first step. If you are ready to change your life, if you are ready to save yourself, type this in the comments below. I will save myself. Write it down. Make a promise to yourself. Do not break this promise. Thank you for watching. I believe in you. You can do it. See you in the next video.